so if you watched my previous video, I'll put it in the cards right now. You'll see that I did my budget breakdown. So I went ahead and went to the bank and got the money that we need. And I'm going to bring out my iPad because I have the amounts on here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. Let me see. Just so you can see the total. So I have the money here. I took out $455 variable expenses, so we're gonna count it real quick. I have 50, 100, 120, 140, 460, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 455. So 455, and I'm going to fix this and put it away. So there we have the money. I'm going to bring out my variable expense binder, which is this Daisy one, and the first item is gas, and gas I budgeted $80, and that's exactly what I'm gonna put in. I currently have $0, so I'm gonna do 20, 40, 40, 60, 70, 80. Currently have 80, right? I don't know if this is... That's equal. It has what I... So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Next up we have food. We said we were putting $60 into food, and that's what I determined. I'm going to do 20, 40, 50, and then 60. That way we have change in case we have to tip in or do takeout or do fast food and stuff. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So I have 60 for that. I guess equal. I'm not sure. I'm not even gonna put anything because I don't know what I'm doing there. So that's food. Groceries. For groceries we're doing $200, so I'm gonna use those 50s, and I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, then 90, 100. I think that's good. So I have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 200. So 200 for groceries. Then we have, so 200. Then we have spending. Spending is getting $60. So I'm going to do 20, 40, 50. I'll do 25, 60. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 50. Sorry guys, I'm going to do that again. So I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So $60. And that was spending. Household. Household has, I budgeted 0, actual 10, so it's plus. See, I don't think I should be doing this here. What I'll do is, I'll put, and I'll probably have to transfer this over because I'm not using this sheet, but I have 10 for household. So I'm just gonna put and then, because I think this is actual that you budget this, but if you put more or less, they want to know here. So I'm just going to put 0, 0, and then it currently has 10. Then I'm going to add miscellaneous, and miscellaneous, I didn't budget anything for that, but miscellaneous has 10, 15, and if you watch my previous video, I just rolled that over to keep it in there in case something ever comes up. I do want to add to this and have it for random bills that, or random items that you don't have a category for. I do have to create a new sinking fund for household items such as yearly things that we have to do, pressure cleaning, things of that nature. So I will need a fund for that. Then next up is kids. Kids is getting $30. So I'm going to do a 20 and a 10. So 20, 30 into the kids fund, and actual is 30 and current is 30. I'm going to do 80, 200, 60, 60. So those are all at 0. And then I have family. Family currently has $13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. But I'm going to add 25, the last. So the last 25 is for my family fund. So I have 10, 15, 20, 25. So doing 25. And we currently have 13 already in there, so I am going to have then 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we have a total we have a total of $38 in there. Ooh, guys, you know that I do not like my money this way and that way. So I have that. This money is supposed to be in my savings challenges. There's some ones that I got. So I'm going to do that now before I forget. And then lastly is my BJ's fund, which I don't have room for here. You know what? We're just going to make it. Just going to put it down here since I'm not using this actual. And I currently have 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210. I currently have 210 in that fund. And this one's honestly, and this one is going to be depleted tomorrow because I am stopping at BJ's to do some groceries. So that's that, and this is my back to bank. And that is it. So that concludes my cash stuffing of my variable expenses. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much. I truly, truly do appreciate you coming back and watching my videos. And if this is your first time here, I would love for you to consider becoming a subscriber and following me on my debt-free journey. Hopefully it inspires you to start on your own or continue yours. And that's it, folks. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.
you.